In a last video, we are discussed about rules for differentiation. In a rules for differentiation, based upon rules on a differentiation, some of the problems. First problem is y is equal to x square plus sin x. How to differentiate this one? So this one is y. So y means we can write dy by dx is equal to, this one is d by dx of x square. Second rule, d by dx of x square means d by dx of x power of n formula. According to this formula, we can write n into x power of n minus 1 plus d by dx of sin x cos x. Then we can write 2x plus cos x. Next problem, y is equal to sin x plus cos x. So this one is, we can differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x, we can write cos x. Again plus of d by dx of cos x minus sin x. Then we can write cos x minus sin x. Next, third problem, y is equal to x plus log x. In this problem, differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx we can write d by dx of x power of 1 into x power of n minus 1 minus 1 0. So means this one is 1 only, it will come 1 plus d by dx of log x 1 by x. D by dx of log x 1 by x. Next, so fourth problem. So this one we can write y is equal to log x plus e power of x. So differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log x value 1 by x plus d by dx of e power of x only. Next, fifth problem, y is equal to sin x plus e power of x. This one we can write, so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x, we can write cos x plus d by dx e power of x only. So these are problems.